Vande Mataram children, continuing in science, biology, chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. We are on the topic digestion in human system. So we will understand the mouth and the buccal cavity first. What are the parts of the mouth like tongue, teeth, then salivary gland. Okay. From salivary gland, saliva is secreted. Then what is the effect of saliva on the starch that we are going to see. Also we will understand the arrangement of teeth. Okay. And tooth decay. How tooth decay happens or the cavities form, and what are the measures you should take to prevent this tooth decay. Fine children, so let's have a look about it in much detail. So children, here we have understood even yesterday about the different types of teeth in our buccal cavity. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Okay, their arrangement, their number. Even in tongue we have taste buds for identifying different types of taste. Children, there is one activity in your book, that is 2.3. Here we have to check what is the importance of saliva on the starch. Okay, starch is a complex form of carbohydrate. So see, you have to take 2 test tubes, label them as A and B. In test tube A, here you can see in test tube A, put 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice. आप boiled rice डालेंगे. And in test tube B, keep 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice after chewing it for 2-3 minutes. B में भी boiled rice ही रखना है, but आपको chew करके रखना है. Means it contains saliva also. Okay. Then add 2-3-4 ml of water in both the test tubes. Now pour 2-3 drops of iodine solution in each test tube and observe. So you know children, whenever iodine comes in contact with starch, it shows blue blackish color. So why is there is a change in color in the test tube? Discuss the result with your classmates. So here you can understand children that in test tube A there is only starch present in the boiled rice. Okay, so here in presence of starch, iodine will show you bluish color. But here B, there is and in test tube B, here boiled rice which contains starch got mixed with saliva, so that starch is converted into simple sugar. So here it will not show any color change. Okay children. See children, here you can see buccal cavity or oral cavity. We all know that it is used for eating, drinking, speaking, breathing. Okay. So the process of taking food inside the body is called ingestion. So ingestion is done by mouth. Means we take food by mouth. The parts of mouth are lip, hard palate, soft palate, uvula, tongue, teeth and salivary gland. Okay. So let's see how it helps. Teeth are the hardest substance in our body. They help to break this larger part or food material into simpler form. There are about 32 teeth. Okay, in an adult. We know there are 20 teeth in child or milk teeth. There are 20 milk teeth. The types of teeth are incisors. They are sharp and they are used for cutting and biting. Then second type of teeth, that is canine. They are helping in piercing and tearing the food as they are pointed like meat. Then there are 4 premolars in each jaw. They have pointed elevation. Okay, so these are used for mainly grinding, chewing the food. So with this premolars we mainly chew the food properly and make it simple form. Then there are 6 molars in each jaw. Molars having broad surface so that they can grind the food properly. Now each tooth is placed in a separate socket in the gums. You can see this. And effect of sweet on tooth. Here microorganisms can be there, okay, but if we do not wash it or brush it our teeth, then they can harm. Like see, they convert sugar into acids, and these acids act on our tooth and they can damage the enamel. This is called tooth decay, and even cavities can be formed like this way. It even causes pain in tooth, or falling of the tooth can also be happen. So we should take care of it, and we should brush teeth twice a day. There are salivary glands which convert saliva. Okay, it contain amylase which convert complex starch into sugar. We have just seen the experiment for it. Okay. Then comes to tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ in the mouth. It helps to understand the taste of the food. There are 5 basic tastes like sweet, salty, sour, bitter and umami. Umami is mainly like meaty taste, okay, which we can feel in the middle. These regions are called the taste buds, which help to identify the taste. Even tongue help to mix the food with saliva and also help to swallow the partly digested food. So children, here you can understand that digestion start in the mouth itself, okay, because with the help of salivary glands, saliva is secreted, and saliva contain amylase which help to break down starch into simple sugar like sugar maltose. So here we can say that digestion means breaking down of complex substance, that is starch, starts here. Okay. So children, like this, starch can be converted into simple sugars with the help of salivary amylase. You should know the name of the enzyme.